Hi children, welcome to my channel. This content food items. Fish. This is the fish. Second one, eggs. This is the eggs. Milk. This is the milk. Curd. This is the curd. Dosa. This is the dosa. Puri. This is the puri. Rice. This is the rice. Tea. This is the tea. Cake. This is the cake. Jam. This is the jam. Thank you for watching. Like and share. Subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.